YouTube was in with your boy Zell. I'm back with another video. In this video, we gotta learn how Gervontay Davis uses his height to break his opponents. This is another one of Skilla breakdowns videos, Skilla boxing. Um, yeah, Gervontay is a shorter fighter and he's compact and stocky. He don't have long arms. He don't have long legs. He's not very muscular, but he's stocky. So in this little frame, it's a lot of compact strength and explosiveness and torque. What he lacks for in physical presence, he makes up for it in pure strength and athleticism. What he lacks in size, he makes up in pure athleticism. So let's get it.
Hello, Skilla fans. Today,
Ugh.
we'll analyze an explosive boxing style. A style embodied by a high IQ boxer who capitalizes on his opponent's mistakes in the most devastating way. One punch knockout power. Let's dissect Gervontay Davis's style, starting with his boxing stance. Boxing stance. Gervontay typically employs the Philly shell from the southpaw stance during his fights. However, what's truly intriguing about his boxing stance is his excellent use of the long guard.
Oh, that's beautiful right there.
Standing 5 feet 5 inches tall, it's uncommon for a shorter boxer to effectively utilize a long guard. Yet Gervontay...
Y'all don't understand how beautiful that was. Let me slow that shit down, bro. Let me slow that shit down. Look at how he controlled Ryan Garcia left hand with his right hand, because you know Ryan won't throw that hook. As soon as he dropped his right hand, boom, he pulled underneath the hook. The hook missed. He bent at the waist to get underneath the hook. He slipped just enough to give him a good period to react. Look at his left hand. It's cocked. Look at the momentum he gained. He's squatting, bending at the waist, squatting down, and he about to explode upwards. Boom. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
To measure the distance and put frames between him and his often larger opponents.
He's trying to take the jab away from Barrios, and he's doing it right.
The distance between himself and Barrios now is, you know.
Get that defense. Get outside. Get outside his jab. Control the jab for hand fight. Oh, throw the left down the pipe. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Changing levels. Okay, so what
Blood
do you mean by changing levels? When we take a look at Gervontay's power punches, a noticeable pattern emerges. He slightly ducks before punching, changing levels from down to up.
That's where you get all that power, that explosiveness. From the legs, through your thighs, through your glutes, through your hips, to your back, through your shoulders, through your elbows, through your wrists, through your fists. Power.
His natural heavy hands, along with that quick level is what makes his punches so
wow.
powerful.
Come here, boy.
Despite being the shorter fighter,
come here, boy.
He leverages this to his advantage by employing his legs to generate additional power.
Watch the feet, Jen. My feet. Watch the feet, Jen.
Oh, that's brutal.
This strategy mirrors other power punchers who face taller opponents, such as the great Mike Tyson.
But everything seems to spring from your legs and your stomach. Is that true?
Yeah, you know, I used to punch with snap, my shoulders and my legs, and bringing the punches together with accurate and precision.
He uses that impulse of his legs to increase the force behind his punches, incorporating different punch variations. A great example, even though he does not use it as much as his gazelle punch or lead hook.
Town NFL team, the Baltimore Ravens.
Oh shit.
But one of his nicknames.
Employing a swift level change.
Look how much he spring up. Oh my goodness.
Another perfect example, and this may very well be his best punch, is the uppercut.
Damn.
Another punch where he maximizes his height advantage with an explosive upward motion.
And against definitely those combinations. And a cruise through the right and Davis.
Collecting data. If there is something that stands out about Gervontay Davis, is how good he capitalizes on his opponent's mistakes. He is not a reckless power puncher, but more of an intelligent knockout artist. He usually starts off every round moving around the ring and analyzing his opponent's reactions. His exceptional lateral movement often goes unnoticed, but plays a crucial role in his strategy. He is extremely confident just moving around the ring and being elusive, which enables him to collect data in the process.
Davis, what he does is, we said it at the beginning of the show, he collects data early in a fight, not to be a boxer, but to find a way to knock you out.
Yeah, bro. This Gervontay Davis gave the blueprint how to beat Pitbull. But Pitbull became a superstar in this day. But to beat Pitbull, you have to turn him because he can only move forwards. We have to move laterally, turn him, stick, plant your feet every once in a while, make him pay. That's how you beat Pitbull.
He doesn't maintain a constant pace. Instead, he takes time to analyze and then exploits opportunities.
Respect for what he thought Sanchez could do.
The approach from voyages of PBC I haven't seen. We've seen ones and twos. We haven't seen those combinations.
Yeah, Davis didn't want any part in touching gloves again. He says, I got some more. Oh, and a second one!
As mentioned by Kermel Moton in this clip.
Tank, he move around more and he wait and he explode with shots. He likes to fight in spurts.
Once he has identified his opponent's tendencies, he explodes, usually with a quick counterattack.
Awkward, but in this fight he's not
Parries. While he receives praise for his head movement,
Get underneath
his
that.
parrying skills are equally exceptional. While he receives praise for his head movement, his parrying skills are equally exceptional.
Can turn up the heat. Now he's looking to push and press and punch the winner. Slipping away from it. He can connect in the volley. And the force. Shove. And ball. So far. Yeah, boy's been down in the fight.
His reflexes and rapid reactions enabled him to deflect his opponent's punches, especially at a distance.
Boxing, and which basically means to put on Guishan. As left in round two, can Guishan survive? Side, he's going to try. He needs.
It is not uncommon to see
Shot survive. Side, he's going to try. He needs.
His parries also enabled him to quickly counter without having to change position.
We've had it throughout the course of the course here this evening. We're the recap some of the tops right now by Gervontay. Both fighters lands his head back with a left. Nicely.
Now that
How ironic. He thought Santa Cruz was going to fold for his power. 1, 2, 3. Boom. He thought he was going to fold. Perfect timing. He did fold, buddy. Shut up.
loss of focus. While for the majority of his fight he is concentrated and analysing his opponent, he sometimes loses focus. On certain occasions, that loss of focus has led him to getting hit clean with unnecessary punches.
Big shot!
Nevertheless,
Now, that is a big flaw of Tank. The same thing happened in this fight. And if you watch the sparring video versus Devin, turned his head versus Devin. And Devin came whacked him in the chin. You know?
Davis remains an extraordinarily skilled all-around boxer, with one-punch knockout power on top of it. But now, we would love to know your opinion on the comments. Do you see other skills or flaws?
Yeah, I see many different skills and many different flaws. His other biggest skill is his ability to move laterally and plant and then punch again. And his biggest flaw is his it's just his lack of size, bro. His lack, like I don't know why people don't exploit his lack of size. If you keep Tank on the outside, he gonna have to resort to using lunging punches against you, bro. Either that, or he gonna have to try to walk you down in a high guard. So those things can be exploited by somebody who puts the time in to learn those techniques. But with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and share this, man. We're on the road to 2,000 subs. I love y'all. Till next time.